Hello everyone, this is Shubham. Today we have Pranjal with us, who has recently completed his internship in Terence Farrell, which is a child company of Deotech Private Limited. Let's know his experience in his internship.
Hello everyone, I am Pranjal. I am pursuing my BTech from SJS IDS Indore in Computer Science branch. Recently I have completed my third year of engineering and then I have joined Talent Spiral as a junior software developer.
So Pranjal, tell us something about your experience at Talent Spiral.
Yeah, so firstly when I have joined Talent Spiral, I was immediately impressed by the supportive team. Everyone was eager to help me and guide me, and which made the transition very smooth and enjoyable.
Let's know about the expectations, and did we really met his expectation? So Pranjal, what do you expected from before coming here?
Yeah, sir. So honestly speaking, I have got more than what I have expected. My expectation was just to build some good connections with my seniors and my colleagues, and to gain some hands-on experience in my technical journey, which can help me out in my future journey.
So Pranjal, even having such a good mentor, have you faced any challenge throughout your internship? And if you have faced, how did you resolve it?
Yeah, obviously there were challenges. Like any internship, there are challenges, and these challenges are only the opportunity for growth as a person. One of the major challenge I had that was to build one mobile application using Flutter, which was a e-learning platform, and that at that time I had zero knowledge of Flutter, and I have started it from scratch in Talent Spiral under the mentorship of Shubham sir. And in the previous week, I have successfully completed that application, and I am really glad to have this achievement.
Yeah, Pranjal, I totally agree with you. Everyone have ups and downs in their life. So, what are your plans? What are your future goals, Pranjal?
Yeah. So my future goal is that first of all, I have to complete my engineering with flying colors, and from the very next month, I have my campus drive. My main goal is to get placed in a good company and with good package, and have a comfortable life ahead.
Yeah, that's good to hear, Pranjal.
Yes.
I wish you a very good luck and you achieve your future endeavors. So, if you are a working professional or want to change your career, or a fresher who wants to build their career in IT industry, you can join us at talentspiral.com, and you can have the link below. And stay tuned for future updates. Thank you.